Jaire, may lote ako. Tatayuan ko ng bahay pero wala naman akong idea kahit ballpark figure lang kung magkano yung magiging house construction cost ko. Well, mag-share ako sa inyo dahil ito naman is estimate lang din sa mga kakilala nating contractor. Bigyan natin ng figure. For example, you bought a 100 square meter lot area for the ease of computation. Sabi ng mga contractors natin, 60% of that, yun yung tatayuan natin ng pinaka-kabahayan. Kasi yung 40% pwede nating gawing garden, pwede nating gawing parking for our cars, no, or garage, or magkaroon ng open space kahit papano. So yung 60% ng 100 square meters, that's 60 square meters. That's just for first floor only. Pero paano kung gusto mo magkaroon ng 2 floors? So 60 times 2, 120 square meters yung magiging buong kabahayan mo. Ang standard ngayon, no, is 30,000 pesos, no, standard finishing. Pero depende pa